What's up? In this episode, I'm going to show you what it's like to go to the dentist in the Philippines. From what I've heard, it's super cheap compared to America, so you could only imagine what it's going to be like. So, get ready, because you're about to see what it's like at the dentist in the Philippines. Okay, so we're at the dentist office. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty clean, looks nice. Got certificates all over the wall. Can't go wrong with this place. It's not bad. This may be a surprise to a few of you, but the dentists in the Philippines are surprisingly a lot similar to the ones in America. Hey, how's it going? We just came back from the dentist, and it is very cheap compared to America. I'd have to pay like $350, maybe $400 for maybe this tooth filling. It is going to cost me only $40. Babe is riding with me. This is just day one. I have to return in a week to get the rest of my tooth filled. All they did was put medicine in my tooth, and here, I'll show you what it looks like. That white spot is the stuff that they put in my mouth, so it stopped bleeding. Wait until next week, and I will show you more. 1 week later. Okay, so today is the day. It's been 1 week since I've seen the dentist. My voice sounds a lot better than before. And now he's gonna finish up the rest of my tooth. Hopefully, I don't have to come back again. The guy did a great job. Hopefully it's even better when he's done. The dentist is very thorough and does a great job. It almost takes no time at all to get done whatever you need, and he makes no mistakes, just like a professional. Hey, all done at the dentist. It was pretty great, a lot better than what I expected. Here, take a look. Yeah. That looks a lot better than before. I had a Frankenstein tooth. Now it's a Enrique Iglesias tooth. BAM! So that's it. The dentist in the Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment on what I should do next. And get ready for the next episode, y'all. Peace out.